We're now seeing AI discoveries and innovations at a clip that we haven't seen before. They're going to be coming fast and consistent.
These recent wave of AI technologies are transformational. You can actually think about these technologies empowering people to work across language barriers, across skill barriers, across knowledge barriers.
It's not really about AI replacing us at all, actually. It's about how it can be deployed in service of the things that people actually need. When you look at climate, which is obviously an issue that's most urgent for populations in the global south, we've been using it to do nowcasting, better weather forecasting to help predict what phenomena will happen next. And this is actually extremely important in an era where weather is becoming more extreme.
A small business with 1 or 2 employees, they still need to do marketing, finance, accounting, operations, all of them with just 2 brains. We've been using machine learning to forecast demand for a shop, to give a sense to the shopkeeper of how many units of this product you're likely to sell. Once you do that, the shopkeeper starts investing better the working capital, and we see net income growth of 10-15% per year. We believe there will be a slew of opportunities to make the financial sector even more inclusive.
We can create a robo-advisor that helps low-income people who are benefits eligible to navigate the social safety net system. So what we see is using AI to make it smarter, to make it more compassionate.
Mastercard has been practicing AI and practicing data responsibility for some time. What we're trying to do is put everybody in the room together and create the partnerships that are going to ensure that this technology, along with all the other technologies, work for us, not against us.
We have to really think about how are we creating the methodology? How are we thinking through the data that we are teaching the models on? How are we looking at the applications that'll probably be global, but taught it on a lot of North American biased thinking?
One of the greatest injustices right now is information asymmetry. What we want to do is based on localism, where we create a new architecture to how you build capacity by enabling communities on the ground to become proficient in this new technology.
Everybody's got a role to play in this environment and in this ecosystem. Mastercard in the center is bringing all of us together in forums like this so that we're learning and hearing from each other.
How you think about building a robust and action-oriented set of priorities across your community of partners as a start, I think would be a perfect place for Mastercard to be thinking about its profound capacity for influence.
Mastercard is part of the financial infrastructure of the world. There's so many things that happen that we just take for granted. The transaction goes through, the analysis is there. When you have a problem, you can address it. I think part of AI and social impact and data for good, it's handling all the details, building the infrastructure so that everyone else can just get on with the good.